Hello everyone, it's Melissa from the Turtle Nail Salon. Thanks for joining me today. If it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning viewer, thanks for coming back. Today I am just cleaning and organizing all of my salon products that I use on a daily basis for my services. I started off with vacuuming any surface dust and then scraping off anything that was stuck due to product leakage and then vacuuming one more time. I then used a disinfecting wipe just to kind of give that wet wipe, which I usually do when I'm dusting because I find that is the most effective. And then I went and I spot cleaned with some 99% isopropyl alcohol or IPA just to get rid of any kind of stuck on marks. I did change the grip paper, or pardon me, not the grip paper, the non-slip layer that I had in the drawer, just because the other one had that product leakage and I really couldn't clean it off. So I threw that one in the garbage. What I'm mostly putting into this drawer are some pre-mixed jars of some glitter as well as some additive colors that I've made. And there is a couple shellac top coats that I had made as well. Otherwise, it is mostly C&D products, my Brisa gel and my shellac, as well as a little bit of Vinylux. And then I have some other top coats that my manufacturer doesn't make. So I have some gelish matte top coat, and then I have an ugly duckling tack-free top coat. These are the little white jars that I was mentioning earlier that were the custom glitter mixes. The first few rows are from Glitter Haven, Australia. And then it just moves into some of my additive glitters and my Recollection and Martha Stewart glitters, and then just into the C&D additive mixes. And then these right here are On Vogue spider gels. I haven't had a chance to try them yet, but I will be trying them hopefully later on in the week. And this silver case was given to me by another nail technician, and in it I have a dust brush, which is actually just a stippling brush from the e.l.f. Cosmetics line, and then I've got my gel brushes, and you can see I put my safety glasses in there as well as my sanding bands. And then I store my handpiece in here since I've changed the layout on my desk, and that works well for me. On to the second drawer. This is my additive and chrome drawer. So doing the usual. This little scraper is so handy. I've used it on multiple occasions for multiple reasons. I even use it to get paraffin wax off our laminate floor without damaging the floor. It was great. When I initially started wiping down all of my product jars, I was just using a lint-free wipe, and then I thought to myself, why am I wasting my wipes? Then I switched to one of my bleach-proof towels, which are fantastic. They never lose their color because I can just wash it. These little tiny jars right here, they are my chromes that I purchased off of eBay. There was 11 in total. They are absolutely beautiful. And then these are my C&D additive jars. So the additives are a pigment effect, or an effect. It just depends on what you're looking for. These particular jars, they have super cute packaging. At least I think they do. It's a clear bottom, so you can always see what's in your jar. The black lid, and then on top, it's a holographic label. I am dry dusting these jars because early when I first got my set of additives, I was cleaning them with 99% IPA and it really took the holographic finish off. So very careful with dusting these now. I definitely like this layout much better in this drawer. It just functions so well. Before I kind of had my additives split up and then the chromes in between, and I'm not really sure why I did that in the first place, so yeah. And then I just popped in some of my Macart, I think that's how you pronounce them. They are blooming polishes to create watercolor designs. This next drawer is mostly my nail art drawer. So I've got some foils in there and then my rhinestone striping tape. I have reinforcements for doing nail art. And then I have my acrylic paints and my watercolor paints. So the acrylic ones are Dollar Store, Folk Art, Craft Smart, all kinds of different ones that I've got. And then I'm just vacuuming out. This glitter just gets everywhere. So I'm just doing a cleanup of all the jars. And then this footage where you see my sleeve color change, for some reason my camera had turned off when I was doing my original filming. So I just went back and fixed those little sections for you guys and gals. Those are my Swarovski crystals, some football decals that a client actually gave to me, my stamping supplies and replacement heads and other stampers. And then this next drawer is a little bit of PPE. I've got some Kleenex in there, just some things that I use as well on a daily basis. I didn't replace this liner because it was in very good condition. The batteries that I threw in there are for my nail polish bottle mixer, and they're, I think, a D-size battery, and they're the Pro Cell, which is the professional version of the Duracell. They are absolutely fantastic batteries. A little bit of extra stock of top coats. And then these next bottles are all extra stock of shellac, colors that either are very popular in my collection or that have been discontinued and I really like them, or other clients find that they really like them. So I do keep a good little stock on hand of colors. Those are all of my gift certificates, blank ones, used ones, unredeemed ones. Then I've got my Beats headphones in there and a couple other things. This last drawer holds all of my filters for my Valentino events that I have, and a couple other spare supplies that I don't use very often. I'm actually rarely in this drawer. So these filters right here that I'm cleaning up, they are for the one vent that I have for pedicures. Then these larger ones are for my flush mount tabletop. Or sorry, not tabletop, my flush mount vent. I use this mortar and pestle for mixing the additives if I want to get a really good mixture. It's fantastic. I found that at Winners. And then just along the side here, I know it's really hard to see, but I am putting all of my LCN polishes in there, which include my crackle top coats and my magnetic ones and a couple little OPI. They're like a texture polish. And then those other bottles that you can see are the OPI shatter or crackle or whatever they're called. Then just some extra supplies. All right, thanks for visiting my channel today. Don't forget to hit subscribe and to ring the bell. Have a great day. Bye-bye.